I am Palak Agarwal of Hidayatullah National Law University and currently a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. All deaths with COVID 19 diagnosis, irrespective of comorbidities, are to be regarded as deaths due to COVID 19. It was held in the case of Gaurav Kumar Bansal versus Union of India. Death certificates can avoid COVID 19 as a cause of death only if there is a clear alternate cause of death that cannot be attributed to COVID 19. For example, accidental trauma or poisoning. Ministry of Home Affairs told the top court. The ministry said that the state and the union territories could continue using their state specific death audit pro forma provided that it broadly captures the parameters as indicative pro forma. MHA was responding to a plea seeking directions to central and states to provide rupees 4 lakhs as ex gratia compensation to family members of those who succumbed to diseases related to COVID 19. The petition by advocates Gaurav Kumar Bansal and Reepak Kansal referred to Section 12 of Disaster Management Act 2005, which said that the national authority shall make guidelines for minimum standards of relief that should be provided to persons affected by natural disasters, which includes ex gratia compensation. In an previous hearing, the court had asked the central government why, in some of the cases, the real cause of death as COVID 19 was avoided, and asked the court if a uniform policy in this regard could be created or not. The court asked, is there a uniform policy on death certificates, as there were numerous situations where the cause of death was not shown as COVID 19? A senior advocate, S.B. Upadhyay, arguing for a petitioner, stated that the petitioner required a certificate which showed that the family member had died due to COVID 19. He said that the bodies were taken away for cremation, but the reason of death as COVID 19 was not shown in the death certificates. The HMA stated that under Section 17 of the RBT Act, the cause of death of the person cannot be disclosed to any person. The HMA said that the ex gratia payment of rupees 4 lakh to kin of each deceased person due to COVID 19 was not possible as the resources of government have certain limits. The HMA also said that the entire fund of State Disaster Relief Fund will be utilized if such payments are made. Thank you.